Do you have a small dog? Want to do something good for the environment? Looking for a fun project to do at home? Well, you can actually make a bed for your dog using just a tire, gently used pillows, and fleece fabrics. Pretty simple. And then you can use leftover house paints to custom decorate your beds any way you want. You can get these materials through Facebook Buy Nothing groups, like this one. Over 300 million tires are scrapped per year. By taking on this project, you can prevent them from being dumped into low-income neighborhoods, dumps, and waterways. So in the end, it's a cool little piece of furniture for your dog, helpful for the community and for the environment, and a way to tap into your creativity.